It is Saturday, May 20th, 8:05 a.m. and look at this. This is called Nuclear Lake here in New York. And I have to step across those stones. Isn't that pretty? This is the Dover oak. It's the largest oak tree on the Appalachian Trail. It's estimated to be over 300 years old and is 6 feet in diameter. It's ginormous. Hey, it is 1:15 on Saturday, I think the 20th. And anyway, Cats and I are just kind of chilling out, taking our time, having a great last few days hiking together. And we're going to stay in the city of Pawling, New York. They have a, what's it called? I don't know, like one of those things that you sit in, not a gazebo, but you'll see. I'll take a picture. And anyway, we're gonna go there tonight, and then we'll get back on trail tomorrow morning. And right now, we just crossed Dover Road, where the largest oak tree was on the Appalachian Trail. It was huge, it was amazing. And now I have to show you what we're doing. I'm climbing up, so give me a moment. It doesn't look like an up, but I swear to you it is, for just this last little bit. But now, we come out of the woods into this pasture. Isn't that cool? Oh man, it's pretty cool out here. I love it. Trying to get it so that you can see. That's what we would just walk down and see all the rain over it, the mist. That's kind of neat. And then we can't walk over there because the sign says no trespassing, but there's a gazebo. And I remember the word, it's pavilion. Pavilion. That's where we're gonna stay tonight. It has electricity and it has flush toilets, and we get to stay there for free. So we're all about free, and I'm all excited about flush toilets and the electricity. So because it's gonna be in downtown Pawling, it's kind of like a park. There is a place that we can have real food. So we're looking forward to that as well. This is beautiful. I wish that my phone had smell technology so that you guys could smell. It's just amazing. It smells so good. It smells like New England. I'm almost in Connecticut. Hello. It's 2:45 on Saturday, and Cats and I have less than a mile to go to where we're going to call for a taxi to pick us up and take us to that pavilion. But it has started raining harder, so I had to pull out the ever lovely poncho. Just thought I'd say hi and let you see what we are experiencing right now. Cats and I just had a snack in the rain before we crossed this. And then we think we have a railroad crossing. No. Okay, look, this is the train tracks that if I wanted to, I could literally get on the train from right here, from the Appalachian Trail, and go to New York City. and go to different places. Southeast, White Plains, and New York. Oh, the train is coming.
7 miles to Connecticut.
That is so awesome. That train was amazing. It was so cool, and how fast it went was awesome. Well, as you saw, it rained on us the entire day. We were sopping wet, and so the rain put us off the trail, and we ended up taking a 0 on day 33. So the 0 day was where I have been working on all these videos that you guys are watching. I appreciate you watching them. Thanks so much. And we will catch you back out on the trail the next time.